Unleash the beat with the W King Bluetooth speaker. Waterproof, powerful, and ready for anything. Get ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level with the W King Bluetooth speaker. This powerful speaker is designed to deliver high-quality sound and durability. With the W King Bluetooth speaker. This powerful speaker is designed to deliver high-quality sound and durability, making it perfect for beach trips, parties, or job sites. With its IPX6 waterproof and shockproof design, this speaker can withstand the elements and keep the music going. The advanced sound system features dual subwoofers and passive bass radiators, delivering balanced audio with crisp highs and deep bass. Enjoy up to 40 hours of playtime on a single charge, and use the power bank functionality to charge your devices on the go. The speaker also features Bluetooth 5.0 technology with a 100-foot range, plus AUX, TF card, and NFC connectivity options. With its dual-mode equalizer, you can toggle between indoor and outdoor sound modes to optimize audio performance for your environment. The built-in microphone also enables hands-free calling functionality, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings. Whether you're hosting a party, going to the beach, or just need a reliable speaker for outdoor use, the W King Bluetooth speaker is the perfect choice. Order now and experience the power of sound. Don't let your music be limited by the elements. Get the W King Bluetooth speaker and take your tunes anywhere. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and updates.